Okay, so next up we've got the Glass Warrior screen protector that came with the combo. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got inside there. So I really like this combo kit because you get the case, you get the screen protector, you basically get everything that you need there. And we can see that we've got this will be for installing the screen protector. This is your installation kit. Your instructions on how to install the screen protector. And of course, the actual screen protector itself. So you can see here, this is the tempered glass screen protector that you get. And it looks like they may have given us 2 in here. Maybe there's just 1. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So that is the actual screen protector. And so you can see that it's got a hardness, it's got fingerprint, anti-fingerprint, and it's touchscreen compatible. So that's an interesting, I haven't seen that before. So we've got over here, we've just got looks like a bank sticker, so get some stuff there. And so let's just take a look at the instructions. So it says that we're going to clean off the device. Then we're going to go ahead and place the cover on there. And let's see, then we're going to pick up the tempered glass film. We're going to tear off the bottom, align the top of the tempered glass with the top of the phone, apply, and then you're going to press on the middle of the screen. And then you're going to use the dry cloth to squeegee out any bubbles that might show up, and then you'll remove the kit. So pretty standard for installation. Let's go ahead and do this. So let me take this off, and let me go ahead and power off the device. One thing that you want to do when you put these things on is power off the device. That way you can see if there's going to be any bubbles. It's also easier to see if there's any dust. So here is the install kit. Let's go ahead and just open that up. That should just have the normal stuff. You should have a cleaning cloth. So it looks like there's your cleaning wipe, wet wipe, and we've got some dust stickers there to get any dust off of there. And there should be a dry cloth, and there's their dry cloth. So you get all that with the combo kit. All right, so let's go ahead and give this thing a shot. So if we follow the instructions here, we should be taking our wet wipe. So once again, the instructions are right here. It says remove the protective case on the phone and use the number 1 wet wipe, and then the number 2 dry cloth to clean the surface, and then use the dust removal. So we'll go ahead and open this up here. And if you haven't done a screen protector before, definitely want to check this out. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Sometimes these things are not as easy to put on as they show in the instructions. So, and it's a little hard to do behind the camera. So you're just going to take your wet wipe, and they give you a pretty good size wet wipe there. And we're just going to pick up the device here and give it a nice wipe. Wipe down that cover screen really well. Now, you will notice that this is just for the cover screen. Because this is a foldable device, it has a plastic cover on the inside for the flexibility to be able to open and close, so you won't be able to put a glass protector on there. Just wanted to put that out there as a disclaimer in case anybody asks. And so we'll just clean that off real good. And that looks pretty good to me from here. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to dry it off. So we're going to use our dry cloth here, and be mindful not to get your fingers on there so you don't have any fingerprints that you have to clean off again. And we'll just give it a nice wipe down. Once that's done, you just want to kind of look and see if you see any dust particles. I'm going to use the dust stickers just in case, because they do tend to pop up. And all you're going to do is just go right around the edges there and take your time. You know, you want to make sure you don't get any dust underneath there, because then that screen protector is really going to be useless to you because you're going to have a piece of dust that's going to form a nasty looking little bubble. And I don't know about you, but I don't like having bubbles underneath my screen protectors. Okay, so we got that. I'm going to go ahead and put the cover on. So we're just following the instructions here. And so we're going to go ahead and place this on just like so. And let me go ahead and take this case off because it's not going to fit. All right, so just want to let you know I took the case off and just did the re-prep again just to make sure. So it says top on here. We're just going to go ahead and line that up. Throw that right on top of that cover screen. And let's just give it one more quick look. Oh, I do see a little piece of dust there. So let's go ahead and get that off of there like so. And this is why it's always important to double check anytime you're doing one of these screen protectors. Those little dust particles can wreak havoc. So we've got that done. Now it says that we're just going to pick up the tempered film, tear off the bottom, align the top with the tempered film with the top of the phone, and apply the tempered glass slowly. Okay, so we've got that here. And so we're just going to peel that off. You can see that that just peels off there. Grab the edges so you don't get fingerprints on there. Just slowly take that off. And then we're just going to go ahead and line this up with the phone. Looks like that looks pretty good to me. And let's go ahead and do the last part. So then it says we're going to press the middle of the screen by hand to get rid of the bubbles. So we're going to press that down. And if you can't see there are some bubbles there that are going to go away. So the next thing that you want to do after you've done that is we're going to use the squeegee to help the bubbles out of the edges. So not sure what they're considering the squeegee. I did not see a squeegee in here, so I think what they're referring to is just going to be that dry cloth that you can use just to press down and get those bubbles out of there. I'm going to actually go ahead and pull that off. And then just go ahead and press. And what you want to do is you want to press away to the edge to get those bubbles out. Usually that's all you need to do. Sometimes you have to work at it a little bit more if those bubbles get underneath there. But for the most part, pretty easy to install. I'm not seeing any dust particles, which is good. I do have some little bubbles here and there. Just go ahead and give that a nice wipe down. Make sure that we press. See some down there. And just kind of gently press and push away from you. And that looks pretty good. I don't see any bubbles. So I'm not sure if you can see anything, but I don't see any bubbles there. Really impressed with that installation. This is definitely a nice screen protector. So that is the Glass Warrior screen protector from Banks. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.